1984 by George Orwell. I somehow always thought I have read that book, but when I recently started the first chapter, I realized I never did read the book. But that's not a bad thing, because I'm gonna read a good book then in the next few months. I did read another book by George Orwell, Animal Farm, and judging by that, George Orwell is quite a good writer, and this is gonna be an interesting read. Although conceptually a bit different, both books talk about the same things: social, uh, humanity, and social relations. One is projected in the future, the other one is projected in the present time, but basically, yeah, that is the only difference. Both of them don't offer a distorted picture of of reality as we see it in this universe. So it's gonna be interesting to read the book, and it's gonna be interesting to see where it leads, what answers it offers, what stories we're gonna be told, and what conclusions we can get from that. So yeah, it's gonna be very much fun to read 1984 by George Orwell.